Hi, my name is John Gravatt. I'm with BOMAG Americas. I'm the product marketing manager for the asphalt compaction lineup. Today we're going to do a technical walk around of our BW 120 AD5 machine. This is one of our most popular light tandem rollers. It's great for driveways, light commercial work, really the bread and butter of some of our contractors' machine portfolios. We'll walk around, talk about features and benefits, and really give you some of the technical specifications of the machine, all the options, and really introduce you to it. This machine features either a 39 or 47 inch drum width. So the 100 stands for 1 meter or 100 centimeters. That's 39 inches, or 120 is 1.2 meters. And that's 47 inches. It's a 27-inch diameter machine, or diameter drum, which is going to put you in about a 14 impacts per foot recommended impact spacing. These machines weigh about 2.5 to 3 tons depending on the model and the options, and we're talking a vibration frequency around 63 to 67 hertz. The BW 100 and 120 AD machines feature a Kubota D1803 Tier 4 final engine. So that's going to be with a DPF and 33 horsepower. Let's talk about a few of the features on these machines. One nice little thing is this storage compartment right under your seat where you can store any valuables, anything that you need to place in there to keep track of. On the other side of the machine, we've got a 12-volt accessory port. That's actually a DIN, 12-volt DIN adapter. And you can find these to power whatever devices you need to power off of that. I'll jump up in the seat here and show you some of the adjustments. First and foremost, we have our sliding operator seat. You can move to see the left-hand side of the machine or back to the right hand. And then the seat itself has plenty of adjustments for the operator as well. One being a reclining back. I can move this lever and pull myself forward. Being a tall person, I want to be in the back. And then on the back left side, I've got a weight adjustment to really make sure it fits my comfort level as far as firmness of that seat. Additionally, we have vandalism protection on these machines. When you're done for the day, just close that and lock it up and you're good to go. On these machines, our scrapers have a retention lock so that when you pull them off the drum, they'll stay retained away from the drum. To release that, just simply pull out the scraper, pop that retention lock up, and let it go. To reset that lock, just pull the scraper up again, and then it's set off the drum. Let's walk around and take a look at our articulation joint. One of the features of this articulation joint is that there are no grease fittings. It's a sealed for life system, so you won't have to maintain it. There's no daily or weekly greasing involved. Additionally, the standard machine is capable of crab walk up to 2 inches. You would manually offset this joint, loosen these 4 bolts, and you would actually shift your rear frame, and then you're permanently set to 2-inch offset. Additionally, if you were interested, you could get a hydraulic crab walk option, which will do the same thing with the push of a button. Last but not least, this is our steering lock. So when you're shipping this machine or transporting it, this is what you would use to lock the 2 frames together. Let's talk a little bit about transport. These machines are designed with transport in mind for easy on-off access to the trailers. For that, we incorporate easy to use rings for tie down. So you can tie to the rear drum leg, the front drum leg, and under each bumper, you'll also find another ring for use on tie down. So you can really have a bunch of options when you tie down these machines on your trailer. I want to remind you though, do not tie down over your articulation joint. You can really cause damage to the machine that way. In addition to these tie down points, there's a central lifting hook. A lot of people ask what this red bar is. That is actually a central lifting hook for the machine. If you lift from this point, the machine will be balanced around that point, so you can pick it up with one single strap. These machines also feature double travel levers, which means you have one traction control on either side of the machine and they operate together. These have 2 speed ranges, so when you pull this in and start in your first range, you'll feel a stop right there. That'll get you to about 0 to 3 miles an hour, and that's typical working range. Then if you pull it over again and push a little further, you'll go into more of a transport range. It'll get you to the full speed, 6 miles an hour. The buttons on this, vibration is the red, the horn is the orange, and the 2 green are for an option called edge cutter or edge compactor. These machines can be equipped with a full line of edge cutters. The edge cutter option would mount right here to the front right side of your drum, and it's available with several different attachments. So you can have a standard, what we call a pie cutter, but a standard cutter blade. You could have a cylindrical, it's a slight taper, 2-degree taper, but a cylindrical cone, a 45-degree option, or a 30/60-degree option. All of those are available for these light tandem rollers. Additionally, economizer is available on these machines, which is one of our more popular options. And that gives you a digital compaction gauge, gives you an idea of how the compaction progress is coming along. That is a great option when it comes to proof rolling before you start laying asphalt, to see where there are weak spots in the soil and really assess the job site situation before you go any further. These machines can also be integrated into your BOMAP system. So if you're running BOMAP for pass counting, temperature mapping, even economizer mapping, these can be plugged right in. We have available options like a GPS antenna that will go on the ROPS, tablet holders. We've got job link interface, and all of that can patch you right into your BOMAP system. These machines can also be outfitted with a sunroof that would be attached right to your folding ROPS and would be able to fold with the foldable ROPS. That offers nice protection from the sun, midday sun, and several job sites, so that's a really nice option. We of course also offer a full line of lighting products, so whether it's the front lights, the driving lights, roading lights, or perhaps you want work lights, which would be mounted on the ROPS, even drum edge illumination, which would have a light right here that's shining on your drum edge, front or rear. We have safety beacons as well, rotary beacons for your ROPS to integrate all the lighting needs you have. These machines can also be equipped with a battery disconnect switch, mirrors. Eco Stop is an option for if you have any anti-idle regulations for 5 to 15 minute engine idle kill. So you can equip it with that. Also telematics, if you were interested in plugging these machines into your telematics, into your database, so you can see how many hours they are, where they're located, etc. You can get telematics on these machines. A flow divider option is also available if you have any specific traction control needs on your job site to really optimize your traction. In summary, the BW 100 and 120 AD machines are going to be great for light commercial work. These machines are really going to be the workhorse of your customer's fleet, durable and reliable. They're going to be easy to maintain, easy to service, easy to operate, and very comfortable as well. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your territory managers, and we look forward to seeing you in the field.